Welcome to English Podcast Academy. Hi, I'm Amy. Today I asked 10 different people one simple but personal question. What's one English word you really like? Some answers are sweet, some are powerful, some are funny, but they all show one thing. When we connect with a word, it becomes part of us. While you listen, think about the words you like in English. Write them down, say them out loud, and maybe share them in the comments. Let's begin.
Hi, I'm Clara. One English word I really like is light. It's a small word, but I think it's beautiful. I like the sound. I also like the meaning. Light is what we see in the morning. It helps us feel happy and calm. At work, I always think about light when I design a room. I ask, where is the light? Or, is the room too dark? I also like the feeling of the word. Light is not heavy, it's soft, it's peaceful. I use this word a lot, and I remember it easily. English Podcast Academy helped me learn how to use simple words like this in real life. You can do it too.
Hi, I'm Brandon. One English word I really like is clear. It's short, and I use it a lot. At work, I say, let's be clear, or that's a clear plan. It means easy to see or easy to understand. I also like it because when my day is clear, I feel good. No problems, no stress, just simple and quiet. That's what I want in my job and life. English Podcast Academy helped me understand small words like this. You don't need hard words. Start with clear ones.
Hi, I'm Caroline. One English word I really like is happy. It's easy, but it feels nice. I use it a lot. I say, I'm happy today, or this food makes me happy. When I hear this word, I think of my family, my dog, and sunny days. I think it's a word we all need. You don't need big words to talk about real things. Happy is small, but strong. English Podcast Academy helped me say simple things with more feeling. Try it. Start with a word that makes you happy.
Hi, I'm Abigail. One English word I really like is friend. It's a short word, but it means a lot. A friend is someone who helps you, listens to you, and makes you smile. I say things like, she is my best friend, or let's call our friends. My students learn this word early, and they love it too. Friend is not just a word, it's a feeling. English Podcast Academy helped me speak more from the heart. Start with one true word. Maybe your word is friend too.
Hi, I'm Piper. One English word I really like is help. It's a small word, but it's powerful. We use it every day. If someone says, "Can you help me?" they're asking for support. I say it often in my work. Let's find help together. Or, I'm here to help you. It's a kind word, and learning English helped me understand it better. English Podcast Academy showed me that learning starts with words that mean something. Start small. Try using help today.
Hi, I'm Timothy. One English word I really like is book. It's a simple word, but full of meaning. A book is something you can hold, read, and learn from. I often say, this is a good book, or I read a book every night. Books help us grow. They take us to new places, even if we stay in the same room. I learned this word when I was young, and I've used it almost every day since. English Podcast Academy reminded me how even easy words like book can open new doors. So grab a book and start your English journey.
Hi, I'm Martina. One English word I really like is smile. It's a happy word. When you smile, you feel good. When someone smiles at you, it makes your day better. I often say, "She has a nice smile," or "Don't forget to smile today." It's easy to say and easy to show. Smile is not just a word, it's a small action that brings light. English Podcast Academy helped me understand words like this. Try saying smile now. It feels nice, right?
Hi, I'm Verena. One English word I really like is flower. I work in a flower shop. Every day I see many colors, red, yellow, pink. When people say flower, they smile. It's a happy word. It's also easy to say. I like to teach my customers. This is a rose. It's a beautiful flower. I learned this word from English Podcast Academy, and now I can talk to tourists in English. You can do it too. Just start with one nice word, like flower.
Hi, I'm Anya. One English word I love is bread. I bake bread every morning. I wake up early, mix the dough, and put it in the oven. The word bread is short and easy. I say it every day. Would you like some bread? Many people come to my shop and speak English. When I learned this word, it helped me talk to them. Thanks to English Podcast Academy, I feel more confident. You should learn words from your world too. Start with something simple, like bread. It's a good first step.
Hi, I'm Juan. One English word I really like is green. I work as a gardener, and I see green every day. Green trees, green grass, green plants. The word green makes me feel calm and happy. When I learned this word, I smiled. It's an easy word to say and to use. For example, the leaves are green, or I like green flowers. Thanks to English Podcast Academy, I now understand more words like this. You can start with small words too. One simple word can grow your English.
That was beautiful. 10 people, 10 answers. One question: what's one English word you really like? And now, it's your turn. Think of a word you love in English. Maybe it's small, maybe it's simple, but it means something to you. Write your word in the comments, or say it out loud, or write it in your notebook. Then tomorrow, do it again. One word a day, one feeling, one little step. This is how your English grows. And if you want to make it a habit, listen to our playlists. They're made for people like you, people who learn with heart. This is English Podcast Academy, and this is your journey.